How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King. I want to give a quick update on GME. It is going down 16% today. It was at, this thing was doing really good today, and it just started just plummeting down. And I just want to see, we're looking to get a really good entry on the smaller time frame. So I want to hurry up and make this video. We were at $33, and we are now back down to $25. As you can see on the 15-minute time frame, we are approaching the lower band. And a lot of the times that is where you can get very precise entries, especially on a 15-minute time frame. I love to look at the 1 minute and 5 minutes. As you can see right now, we are at the 5 minute. This is right here where I would look to be taking a position. But I want to make sure I look at the daily candle. And yes, we are getting under the EMA 20, which is very nice because a lot of times we can have that nice bounce back up to the EMA 5. So right in here, yep, looking like a nice little entry right in here. As you can see, we are touching now the bottom band. So a lot of the times I wanted to show you guys this real example of showing live, because a lot of the times what you see is we shoot down smaller time frames and the price cannot, sustain this far down. Well, on a smaller time frame, it can go down, but when it touches these bands, oftentimes we see it shoot up to the lower time frames or lower exponential moving averages, which is your EMA 5, 10, and 20. So we're going to try to get a lower wick here, buyers coming in. And what is nice is that we are below the EMA 20 at the lower band. And I tell everybody, we do not take price when we're above all the EMAs, like in this black area here. We just don't do it, because a lot of the times price does rush back down to your exponential moving averages, and that is your reversion to the mean. You just don't want to be in that scenario where if it does do that, you're kind of, you're left out, right, with the big bag. So I do like this. A lot of volatility in this stock. GameStop has a lot of things up their sleeve. They got a lot of cash. I see this as a very solid play. So right here, as you can see, the 5 minute did touch the lower band to a T, and oftentimes you get a test and retest type pattern, and that's what we're kind of getting right here. So if you look near here, you would make an entry just below the lower wick here, and then we should be shooting up here very shortly to retest this EMA 5, because remember, price has to revert to the mean. It does it all the time. It will do it. So it will revert back to this EMA 5, as that is your shorter reversion to the mean. Here we go. So this right here was our entry around 24. I would say 24.90. Give yourself some wiggle room. Do a test and retest type pattern, and I want to see price. It will hit the EMA 20 in a shorter time frame, but where it goes from there is up to the market makers, because this is where the algos would take it. As you can see, we get close to the lower band, we hit the EMA 20. Yes, you can make some nice gains, but right after this, it takes, it just says, it either decides it's going to make a big move up or a big move down, and that's what we did right in here. And so this is how I would say you get precise entries. I love looking at the end of the day type of movement, as that is where, in my honest opinion, if you're in my Discord and you have my system, I can get your chart to look like this. It's only $6 a month to join my community. The link down below, if you want to join us, down below, it's pinned in my YouTube comments. But basically what we're looking is for reversions to the mean. We're trying to get precise entries the best we can. And I love GameStop. I think it's the most, it's very volatile. You can make massive money on it. And yes, it sucks when a stock goes to $33, you didn't sell, and goes right back down to $25. I've been in that scenario. It absolutely sucks. That's why it's always best to have a clear plan, take profits when needed, and bam, oh whammy, let's have that big green candle come in. So this right here is awesome. I love it. Nice, nice, nice. So we know it has to revert to the 5, 10, and 20. It could take some time, like maybe 30 minutes, an hour, who knows. But that is my intake on the lower time frames. I love showing lower time frames, especially when it happens live. And but obviously the daily candle needs to match. I'm not just going to do a lower time frame on this type of candle here. That doesn't make sense. We're well above the exponential moving averages. I just wouldn't do it. The only time I would do it is when on these three candles here, when we were clearly below the EMA 20 and we've been shooting back to the EMA 5. This right here is becoming very strong buying area. A lot of people love to get back in here, and I would assume that the bulls are going to want to retest that and push it back up. So that's what we're seeing right here, guys. That's the daily candle. I would love to see a retest of the upper band here. That would be so freaking nice, but you cannot ever assume that. When price hits this upper band, you will see a sell-off. You have to have, a big catalyst for that to happen. And because this is an average true range of 4, and when prices go there, it tends to go down. So a lot of people that join my Discord might ask, well, what kind of setups, are you alerting? I try to give you guys the best setups. Because a lot of these stuff, you got to be really engaged. You got to know the system really well. I try to show you the ins and outs. But a lot of the setups I really do like are these bottom reversals plays where they're close to the bottom band, and we haven't hit the EMA 10 and 20 for some time, and I look for those retest type patterns, right? Especially on stronger companies, they really do matter a lot more. Now, it's not like a perfect thing, there's no perfect system, but I will say this has been more consistent in all my trading careers, and I have made tons of money doing it. So this is honestly a very nice system. So as you can see right here, we hit the EMA 20. It's the same thing with the lower time frames. Price decides what it does, go up or down, and then that's the big move happening. So like I said, if getting in GME right on the EMA 20 below it is not bad, because this is where the big move happens. This right here, guys, is where you can either go up big or down big, and I love to accumulate down here, have a clear stop loss, definitely probably under this candle here, because this would be your next big support. I would have it under there. But as you can see, let's see what we're doing. We have this nice, beautiful 5-minute candle here, up 3% if you got in right around where I liked it, right in here. So let's see how we keep popping here. Let's see the 1-minute time frame. I like the 1 minute. We were at the lower band here for a more consistent area right here, test and retest type pattern, and we will be hitting this EMA 20 for a nice gain here for the day traders. But we don't want to day trade this. We love swing trading. We want to make the massive gains, right? So this is my GameStop analysis in a real time. I try to hurry up and show it because I was like, holy crap, this isn't a buy signal. And I love to buy past 3 p.m. So I look for entries like this. So anybody in my Discord, this is looking real good. And if you guys do want to join my premium Discord, all you have to do is click the link down below into the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned, and it will say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you join, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. All you have to do is read how to subscribe. It's very easy. Gives you a detailed layout. Avoid scammers. I will never message you or DM you first, so do keep that in mind. The easiest way to subscribe is just hit premium chat over here on the subscriptions tab. And it is only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. And when you join, you get, you get my alerts, you get the system, you get my chart set up on how to do it, you get my journal and all that. And it's cheaper if you do it on computer because you avoid the iOS fee. So I just want to help you guys out. And like I said, guys, I'm here for you guys. I want any account to be able to do this. Only $6. Any account can do it. If you have $50, $100, it doesn't matter. I want you guys to know, like, trading is possible to be, you can be profitable trading. Trading is super, super hard. As right now, we're hitting the reversion to the mean on the 5-minute EMA 5, but it will hit the 20 here. But trading is super, super hard. But there is a way to make the probabilities work for you. That's what it really is about, is having the probabilities in your favor. And I really think this is the best way for you guys to learn. So in this Discord, what you're going to get is my swing trade alerts. If you want to know exactly what I'm doing, you can follow these alerts, or you can use the system however you want. My education videos, how to properly accumulate, my indicators, and then the RTK journal is to show you what trades I'm in with my averages and wins and losses. So I appreciate everything you guys for watching my videos. I appreciate it so much, and it means a lot to have you guys. And yeah, that's my analysis on GameStop. I really love, like I said, I never chase. I never try to pump. I always look at what does the chart say and what has it been doing in the future, and that is the best way to do it, guys. If you guys like the video, give a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it. I really think Roaring Kitty has something up his sleeve here. And this stock is just a money printing machine, like money printing machine. We go up, down, and it's just, you can make nice gains. Just scale out when you're up a good bit. Because anything can happen. As you can see, we're at freaking, look at this, $29, bam, plummeted down to 24 in a heartbeat. So, yeah, So thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it. I'm all open to ideas, and like I said, we're all here to learn. And I really think this right here is a great setup here for you guys to make massive money. And I really think you guys can be successful trading. If you guys do want to learn more, I'm always here in the premium Discord. If not, I totally understand. It's only $6 a month. Get your toes wet and actually have a system that works. And yeah, if you guys like the video, do hit the like. It means a lot, and it helps the algorithm. And I do read your comments, and I try to reply to it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy trading, and much success to you and your family.